Hello everyone, today we are going to discuss a question from JEE Advanced 2025. Sorry for the yes. JEE Advanced 2025 paper 2, which is from the biomolecule chapter. And in this question what has been asked is linear octasaccharide molar mass having this on complete hydrolysis produces 3 monosaccharides ribose, 2-deoxyribose, glucose. The amount of 2-deoxyribose found is 58.26% W by W of the total amount of the monosaccharides produced in the hydrolyzed product. The number of ribose units present in one molecule of the octasaccharide is, and the molar masses of ribose, 2-deoxyribose, glucose, and atomic mass of hydrogen and oxygen are given. So how to do this question? Let us start with the framework. What has been asked is the linear. We have linear octasaccharide, and this linear octasaccharide is completely hydrolyzed. And after doing the complete hydrolysis, what we will get? We get the ribose, 2-deoxyribose, and glucose. And also here it is given as 2-deoxyribose is 58.28% weight by weight. Also the molecular weight of this octasaccharide has 1024 gram per molar weight. Now what will happen is, for hydrolysis of this octasaccharide we need 7 moles. For 1 mole of the octasaccharide we need 7 molecules of water. As there are 7, there will be the 7 glycosidic linkage will be present. So that's why, and we will get the products. Now if you see, overall the weight of the total product will be 1024 plus 7 into 18, which will be 1150 gram per mole. Now the mass of deoxyribose in this mixture will be 1150 into 58.26 divided by 100, as it is given as 58.26 weight by weight is present 2-deoxyribose. That's why we have calculated 58.26% of the 1150, which will be 669.99, which is around 670 gram per mole. Now we know the moles of 2-deoxyribose will be equals to 270 by 134, which is 5 moles. And if it is 5 moles, then 8 minus 5, 8 is the total moles. So 3 moles will be the sum of glucose and ribose. Glucose and ribose collectively are 3 moles. Now we know x plus y is equals to 3. X plus y is what? X is the number of moles of glucose and y is the number of moles of ribose. Now if you see here, other thing we know, 180 into x will give the mass of the glucose, and 180 into y will give the mass of the ribose, which will be equals to 1150 minus 650, which is 480. So now we have two equations, 150x plus 180y is equals to 480. First equation is this and the other equation is this. Two equation, two variable, we can solve it easily, and after solving this we will get the value of x as 2 and the value of y will be 1. And if you see here in the question, it has been asked as the number of ribose units. So the number of ribose is what? Number of ribose is y. So value of y is 1. So that's why, oh sorry. So here the assumption is opposite. We have assumed number of ribose is x and number of glucose as y, because if you see here, the molar masses of ribose is 150. So because ribose is the molar mass of the ribose is 150, and I have multiplied x with the 150. That's why the x is the ribose. So x is, this is the ribose. So the answer should be the sec 2. 2 will be the correct answer. Thank you so much for listening.